medyo different yung setup natin because we're gonna talk about how to use only your smartphone for vlogging. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below and that notification bell para you wouldn't miss any of my YouTube upload in the future. I'm gonna share with you some tips and advice on how to vlog using only your smartphone. In my case, I'm using iPhone. So, let's dive in! Sa mga small YouTubers out there, gaya ko, na nagsisimula pa lang sa YouTube, or yung mga, kahit yung mga tao na parang nag-iisip na mag-start ng YouTube channel nila this 2020, isa sa mga, syempre hindi naman lahat tayo meron ng camera na readily available para gamitin natin. But, mostly, or most likely, lahat tayo meron ng iPhone, smartphones na they will come in handy para magamit natin sa pag-start ng ating YouTube channel. So, we can use that. Yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. I hope na by the end of this video, you can learn a tip or two na you can apply on your own vlog style para mag-start or maging mas maganda yung YouTube channel niyo. Isa sa mga pinaka-importante when you're filming using just your smartphone, lighting. Mas gusto natin, tsaka mas maganda kasi yung natural lighting. Kung may access kayo, mas nire-recommend ko to shoot outdoors rather than indoor. But, kung talaga kailangan nyo mag-shoot indoors, then I recommend natural lighting that comes from your window. Pwede kayong mag-shoot beside the window like what I'm doing right now. I'm also taking advantage sa natural lighting. That's why yung window, inopen ko siya. So, dito ako nag-shoot ngayon right beside the window. Pwede kayong gumamit ng mga artificial lighting like buksan nyo yung ilaw sa ceiling nyo, or kung may budget naman kayo, pwede kayong bumili ng mga ring lights na medyo mas mura at abot kaya, na makakatulong pa rin sa pag-film nyo para magkaroon pa rin ng magandang kalabasan yung videos nyo. Having enough lighting kasi, mas makakatulong siya kung gaano ka-crisp and ka-ganda yung quality ng videos nyo. Kasi minsan, kapag hindi enough yung lighting, hindi as high resolution na gusto nyo. Siyempre, lahat tayo bilang manonood, gusto natin na maganda at malinaw yung mga footages na pinapanood natin kasi mas appealing siya sa mata ng tao. The next one is orientation. Orientation meaning kung paano nyo lang gamitin yung iPhone nyo, kung portrait mode ba or landscape mode. Now, the best for YouTube is landscape mode para hindi tayo makakita ng mga black margins or padding sa size ng videos. Yung portrait mode kasi, mas okay siyang gamitin when you're trying to create IG stories or IGTV. But again, gaya ng sabi ko, when it comes to YouTube, the best format is using landscape mode. Kapag naka-landscape kasi yung video nyo, mas fuller yung makikita nyo sa frame. Kaya, pinakamaganda talagang solution is always shoot on landscape mode. Lastly is the style. So, merong mga different style ng vlogging. And obviously, depende rin sa format ng videos nyo. So, for example, right now, ako, sit-down type siya. Nagsasalita lang ako in front of camera. So, I'm using a tripod. Bumili ako ng medyo murang tripod. So, kaya, etong shot na to is still shot. So, right now, gamit ko ngayon itong Osmo Pocket ko just so I can show you guys kung paano ko sineset up itong introduction ko for this video. So, this is my iPhone right here as you can see. And then, nakamount lang siya sa tripod. Ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo itong tripod na ginagamit ko. This is good, lalo na kung may mga gusto kayong i-film like overhead. So, ayan. Kinaklamp lang siya. So, pwede mo siyang i-clamp sa kahit anong surface na magkakasya siya. And, meron ito, sobrang handy rin ito kasi pwede mo siyang i-tilt. So, depende kung anong gusto mo. Like that. Ito, pwede rin siyang mabend depende sa gusto mo. Alternatively, kung wala naman kayong tripod or ayaw nyong bumili, we can use a lot of different resources. So, in this case, gumamit ako ng books and this tumbler para ma-set up ko tong camera. So, kung uupo ako or something, pwede na din siya. It will just, kailangan lang natin maging resourceful. Pero, may mga shots din naman ako, for example, na kailangan kong handheld. So, in that case, hawak ko yung phone ko. Kunyari, naglalakad ako or pupunta ako somewhere, pwede yun, handheld siya. Gumamit ng mga selfie sticks, depende pa rin kasi sa kung paano nyo gustong kuhanan yung shots nyo. Sa style din, since we're just using iPhone or smartphone, merong two cameras normally, di ba? Yung sa rear or yung back camera and yung front camera. Whenever possible, mas okay talaga na gamitin yung sa back camera kasi higher yung resolution niya compared sa front camera. But if you want to say, kung mag-isa ka lang nag-film and wala kang kukuhanan ng opinion if kung center ba or something, pwede mo nang gamitin yung front camera like what I'm doing right now. Pero make sure na may good lighting ka rin para hindi masyadong ma-degrade yung quality ng video mo. Okay, let's recap. First, lighting. Natural lighting is best. That's why kung meron kayong access for natural light while the sun is out, take advantage of it. Then, always prefer outdoor filming versus indoor. Kung meron naman kayong extra budget, try to invest on artificial indoor lighting para makakapag-film pa rin kayo kahit gabi na, for example, or sa indoor nang may adequate lighting. Next, we have orientation. Like I've said, landscape is best for YouTube format para mas fitted and fuller yung videos nyo. And it actually looks more appealing and more professional. Lastly, we have style. It is best to have different varieties of shots, meaning it's good to have still shots and handheld shots using tripods or selfie sticks. You can invest on this if meron kayong extra budgets. And lastly, use rear camera for better resolution. That's it for now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope na meron kayong natutunan a thing or two and good luck to your channel. See you guys next time.